Hi guys, welcome to today's video, which is a Halloween bake with me. So today I'm going to be making some chocolate fudge cupcakes, and I'm following the Mary Berry chocolate cupcake recipe. What I'm going to be doing is actually using just ready-made Betty Crocker icing instead of making my own icing, only because of my health is bad and I just think that's what I can handle today. But yeah, I'm very excited. I've never made them before, so I hope they turn out good, but I'm going to put the little Halloween decorations I got from HomeSense that are for cakes on them, and use obviously the cupcake cases. I'm very excited. So yeah, let's bake. First things first, I always get out all of the ingredients that I need and lay them all out on the side, but I also get out all of the utensils I need, because I think the worst thing is when you're covered in cake batter or you've just cracked an egg and then you're like, oh, I need this, and you're covered in stuff, and then you'll go through your cupboards. That's just annoying. So I always lay everything out so it's accessible and easy before I go. And I'm actually going to take this off because I definitely would get my sleeves absolutely smothered, and I am going to put on my Halloween apron, which I'm very excited about for you guys to see. If you watched my HomeSense haul, you would have seen it, but yeah, I'm very excited. It fits lovely. I love wearing it to bake, and yeah, let's put my apron on. Isn't it so cute? It's got ghosts and kitties and bats, and I love it. And I love that this is adjustable, because I can't really have things pulling on the back of my head because of my health issues, or my neck, but also like it's plus size friendly, like it fits me, which no aprons do. So I feel so cute and I'm ready to bake. Step 1, you want to line a muffin tin with your paper cupcake cases. Step 2, you want to sift your cocoa powder into a bowl, pour in the boiling water, and then mix together into a thick paste. Step 3 is just to add all the remaining cake ingredients, and the recipe does actually say to mix with an electric hand whisk or beat with a wooden spoon, but because of my disabilities I use my KitchenAid, which is obviously an electric whisk. Step 4, divide the mixture equally between the 12 paper cases. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes until well risen and springy to the touch. And then after that you want to cool them on a wire rack. Step 5 is the icing, and like I said, I decided to use pre-made icing with a piping bag and nozzle kit that you can just get from most supermarkets. But if you wanted to make the chocolate icing, you melt the butter and pour it into a bowl, sift in the cocoa powder and stir in the icing sugar a little at a time to make a glossy and spreadable icing. If the icing is too thick, gradually add the milk until it reaches the desired consistency, and then pipe over the cupcakes and sprinkle with chocolate decorations and leave to set before serving. I opted for little white chocolate stars here. I just thought they were sweet, and I thought they went with the little cupcake set I had because there were stars and moons in those. But obviously you could put sprinkles or whatever you wanted on top. Then I added the little decorations from my Merry Merry Halloween cupcake set that I got from HomeSense. Aren't they just so sweet? They're literally just little cardboard pictures on cocktail sticks. So I guess you could make your own really. But yeah, I bought this set and I'm just placing them all in the middle here of each cupcake. Oh my god, don't they look so cute? I'm really happy with them. I'm scared to try them now because I've never made them, so I hope they are delicious because that's the point of them. Like, yes, they look pretty, but I want them to be tasty. There are definitely two bad ones, so those are going to be mine and Ben's testers. This one is Ben's and this one is mine. This one, just where the icing doesn't look as neat, and then the rest I'll put out for our little Halloween party we're having tonight. I am in love. Look at them. I had every intention of filming my first bite, but I was scared it was going to be rubbish and I just dove in without thinking. But I think I've just made the perfect chocolate cupcakes. Like, oh, I'm shook because I really didn't know. But oh my god. They're soft and light and fluffy and chocolatey. Oh, I'm so impressed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!